How can I create a form in HighLevel? Hey there, my name is Kerry, and in this particular video I'm going to teach you just how to do that by answering the following three questions for you. Question number one, how to find forms in HighLevel. Question number two, how to create a form in HighLevel. And question number three, how to actually use a form in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo sub account. Inside of my demo sub account, you may or may not be on something like the Launchpad or dashboard. Regardless, if you know your way around, you know where to find the forms. If you don't, here's where you do find them. You go to Sites, and then under Sites, you're going to see a bunch of stuff along the top: funnels, website stores, analytics, blogs, WordPress, client portal, forms, surveys, chat widget, QR codes, URL directs, and forms is what we want. So we're going to hover over that, and we have three things here. We have Builder, Analyze, and Submission. So we're going to go into Builder. This is about how to create. And the first thing you want to do is click on Add Form, blue button. And then you can either choose from scratch or choose from template. I would like to start from scratch typically, but you can choose a template if you like. And then what it's going to do is open up a form editor. And it's going to give you some default fields originally, like it shows here: first name, last name, phone, email, and a terms and conditions or consent box, plus a button, plus we have some links here for privacy policy and terms of service. Now, if you want to add or remove any of this stuff, you simply click on it. You can click the X to delete it. You can simply drag it to move it around on the form. And then, of course, if you want to add other elements, click the plus button over here, and you have all these extra elements you can add to the form. You also can create custom fields in your account, and you can then add those custom fields as form elements as well. And then we have the add conditional logic, so we can do stuff like redirect to URL, display custom message, disqualify lead, show hide fields. So you can add all these conditions to a form if you want. We also have the bell notification here, which means it can send an email notification. So if we turn that on, we can put the subject name of the form itself. We can send it to a specific email address. We can have a reply email address. We can put the sender name. Then we can actually do an autoresponder as well and turn that on. This sends an automated email to the person who submits the form. Email includes a copy of the information they entered in the form. So if you want them to get a copy of that, you just fill in the subject, reply to email, sender name, and they get a copy once they fill out the form. So you can add either or both or none of those form notifications. You can also change the name of the form up here, so you can edit it and change the name. Then over here on the right hand side, we have an undo button, we have a redo button, and then we have styles and options at the far right. Under styles and options, we have styles, themes, and options. Styles let you really get into the nitty-gritty of the padding and the style, formatting, whether you want single column, two column, single line, box styles, width, field spacing, etc., colors, backgrounds, bunch of stuff. Themes, this is where you can still pick a theme. So if you didn't choose a theme originally from template, so to speak, you could choose one now and you implement it here inside of the editor. And then we have options, and the options here are like on submit, it says message. The other options are to go to a open URL, or here it says order confirmation, and then you can change the message, you can format the message. Then you have message styling, so you can turn that on. You can change the background color, the font family, size, weight, etc. And then below that we have Facebook Pixel ID, Facebook Pixel Events, and form settings. So all these things can be edited and changed on the fly. Then you also have the ability, of course, to save the form. And then there's two things: preview and integrate. So if we click on preview, it's saving it first. Then it's going to open it up and show us what it looks like. And then we literally can take this link and give it to anyone to submit this form. So this does not have to be embedded into a website or a funnel. It can just be raw through this link and look just like this on the web to anybody. And then if we want, we'll close that. And then we come back in here. From here, we can also do integrate. So we can click on integrate. And here we can change things like sticky sidebar, polite slide in, pop up, inline. Scrolling X percentage of the page will pop it up, show after X amount of seconds. Right now it's set to always show. Activate options, activate on maybe the second visit or only on the first visit. but this says always activated is selected. Deactivation options, deactivate after showing X amount of times. Deactivate once lead is collected. Never deactivate, so that's selected now. Then we have copy embed code, so we can copy this and then paste it into another website in the HTML or wherever. And we have copy form link, which is basically the link I just showed you. So those are all the ways you can integrate the form right now. And then if we get out of here, now that we built our form, let's assume it's all finished, we're happy with it, we can also add it to a sales funnel or website page. And then I'll show you just exactly how to do that. So what we'll do is go back to funnels, and we would go into, let's just go into form 0. This one already shows you an example of it here on this page. If I click on edit, and then when this loads, you're going to see a form here load up, and pretty much this is the form element. So what we've done is if I click on it, you can see on the right hand side it says edit form. So you can go edit the form if we want to. We can change the form to one of the other forms we have, or we can leave it selected to the one we have. Then we have button action. So we have redirect action, use the action from form builder, which was just to show a message, or we could change that to go to website URL or go to next step are the other two options that drop down in that drop down box. And then behind me is just a nothing. I think there's nothing behind me there. And when you're happy with the settings of it, then you just click save and or publish. And if you want to add another form, you can do so by adding another form element, but although I don't think you can have really two forms on the same page at the same time. It says button and then form. So we can click form, and then it says you do not have any forms yet, and then it brings up this form picker for you, and you would just pick the form you want. And then once you pick the form, it populates the form. So this is the second form on this page. But we wouldn't want to have two forms on the same page. It doesn't really make sense, so we just delete that and remove it. And that is how you add a form and how you can create a form in HighLevel. So again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. As always, if you have any additional questions or have any concerns, please leave me those questions in the comments below this video, and I'll do my best to answer them for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI Sales Funnel Website Engine, the AI Lead Alert Engine, the AI Reputation Review Engine, the AI Customer Referral Engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.